Good evening, everyone. Am I audible? Kindly let me know in the chat box. Huh. Yeah, I'm trying to get. There's too much issue with the audio, right? बहुत ज़्यादा problem है. Is it better now or I should make some other changes? Hello everyone, good evening. Am I audible? Let me know. Is it better now? Okay, I know there are some issues still with the voice. No, my microphone is just acting up. It's not working as it's supposed to. Okay, so I am now using just a regular mic. So this class was for everyone, but still today's assignment recently. How many of you have already gone through those assignments and how many of you haven't? Okay, so today's class is all about me clearing all your doubts regarding assignments and projects because that is really important, and those assignments are compulsory for all. Okay, you all have till I think 4th of March to complete those assignments, right? Assignments have to be submitted till 28th, I guess, and the project work till 4th. So how many of you think that it is appropriate or do you need more time? More time. The thing is, I'm also actually listening to my voice. I have that option, and I think it's acceptable right now. You can hear me, right? Okay. So, as most of the students are requesting for more time, I'll think about it. So, what is the issue here? You need more time or you need less assignments? What is the issue? The number of assignments is more or the time is less? Less assignment. Okay. So, the quantity of assignment is, I can see more of the comments are regarding time. Time is less. Okay. What about the difficulty of assignment levels? Do you feel the level of assignments is quite difficult? Please remove the projects. Why would we do that? Okay, got it, Nandini. Okay, so first of all, let us discuss the rules on how you need to submit those assignments. Okay, you have assignments, right, and projects. Two things, right? You also have a quick build, I guess. That is also a project. Okay. So the first and foremost rule is you need to submit in PDF format only. Okay. What should be in that PDF? The PDF for all assignment and project should include your name, number, and email address and your domain. Okay. Suppose this is your PDF file. Okay. This is the first page. So here your name should be present, your email address, phone number, and your domain. Okay. Now from here you can start with your project. First of all, let us assume that this is an assignment. So here should be the solution, right? And let's suppose on next page, if it is a code or anything else, on the next page should be output. Okay, screenshot of the output. Okay, so images are also necessary. This is what is required. Some of the assignments also need presentation, right? We have given presentations, so that is also be required to submit in PDF. Okay, you can convert it into PDF using several websites like ilovepdf.com, or you can save it as PDF while you are making it, right? So but you have to submit in PDF only because it is easier for us to check. No doc format or word format would be accepted. Okay. What code are you talking about? We don't have code. Please share the code. You're supposed to solve that code, right? It's an assignment. This is the format that I'm telling you, right? फॉर्मेट ही तो डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, ये फॉर्मेट है. On the first page, first of all mention your details. Okay, and then start with your assignment. Simple as that. Domain meaning your subject. Domain meaning your subject. Python, web development, Java. See, for those who all right, so the issue is currently your attendance is not all updated. We will try to update it in this week. Okay, you still have some classes left. uh, For web development students, I think you all have covered till JavaScript, right? You need few more classes on JavaScript and then React. And for Python and Java, I think file handling is left, right? So in this week, we will complete the training part and then the attendance will be updated for all. For those who have attendance less than 75, don't even bother, or let's say 70%, okay? Don't even bother doing the assignments. Okay, you can quit. That's the thing. Attendance is mandatory, right? For those who have attendance, they can continue with these assignments and projects, right? One more thing, at the end there will be some grace marking in attendance. Okay, so let's say you have an attendance like 70%. So if your assignments are really good and you have done a really great job, we will make it to up to 75 or even 80. Okay, suppose you have 85, we may make it 90. Okay, so you don't need to worry about the attendance if you are actually working hard. If you have 90, we may upgrade it to 100. Okay, it depends upon the students. We have all your records and we recognize some of you by your names too. Okay, नाम से भी हम पहचान रहे हैं कुछ कुछ बच्चों को. So for them you don't need to worry, attendance तो हो जाएगा. ठीक है. See, For those students who are saying attended all the classes but still I am marked as absent, the attendance sheets are shared in your batch, right? From there you can cross check. And one more thing, if you need some extra classes, you may let us know right now. Okay, कुछ और क्लासेस चाहिए, कुछ और पढ़ना है, तो उसको ऐड ऑन कर देते हैं अभी शेड्यूल में. The topic of the PPT, Jishan, it must be mentioned in your assignment, right? तो वो उसी पे ही PPT बनाना है. अब वो आपकी क्रिएटिविटी, आप कैसे बनाते हो, use your creativity to make that PPT, right? And then submit in PDF format. PDF चलेगा. Just a second. Okay. Yes, Shoaib, of course. बिल्कुल. Okay. Okay, I can see most of you are asking about a format or example कि कैसे submit करना है. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll check. Some of the students have already submit a lot of assignments, I can see. So for those, I will select an assignment and share it to you. Okay. So you will get an idea how to do it. I'm just going through the comment section right now. So if you have any genuine doubt or need to ask something, let me know right now. Yeah, Astha, nobody's attendance is updated right now. Okay. पिछले हफ्ते की last week's attendance is not updated yet. How many classes are left? I don't know. I think your schedule has been shared to your group. That is the amount of classes that you have left. This is the final week. After this week, there will be no classes. If you want, then only there will be classes. You tell us. Shiva, what you want me to explain? Okay. Can you explain everything again? Sure. एक बार फिर से रिपीट कर रहा हूँ सब कुछ स्टार्टिंग से. ध्यान से सुनो. ठीक है, दो चीज़ें सबको मिली हैं. एवरीबडी हैज़ गॉट टू थिंग्स, असाइनमेंट्स and projects, right? You have to submit both in one format, that is PDF, nothing else. PDF. Okay. Doc is not accepted, it is not accepted. Word file, anything, not accepted. Only PDF. Okay. So for example, you are done with your assignment and it was to code a web page or a program. So अब आप क्या करोगे, अब आप उसका कोड कॉपी करोगे एक MS वर्ड फाइल में. ओके. ये मान लो फ्रंट पेज है, दिस इज योर फ्रंट पेज. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेंशन योर बेसिक डिटेल्स लाइक नेम, email, number, and then your subject, your domain, what you are doing right now. Okay, web development, Python, Java, and then you will write a heading, code. Okay, and then you will paste that code that you have made just now. Okay, on the next page or how many pages you require, that is up to you. On the last page you need to, last page, okay, this is the last page. On the last page you need to put an output. Okay, take the screenshot of the output that you have coded and paste it here. This is what you need to submit. This is the simple format, PDF. Okay, and this is clearly accepted. If you have submitted in any other format, it will be an issue for you. For web development students, you all have an extra project too. It is up to you if you want to do it or not. It's up to you. Yes, pictures of output you need to submit. Submit as text, okay, Rahman. Submit the code as text. See, Kishore, having no attendance but submission of every project and assignment will useful or not? Will we get certificate or not, sir? See, at the starting of the program, we are already informed you the criteria, right? Attendance is compulsory. So you need to have attendance, right? I'm just telling, even if you lack around it, okay? Suppose you have 50 or 60, don't worry about it. ठीक है ना, चलता है, we will adjust it for you. थोड़ा आगे पीछे चलेगा. But if you have attendance like 0, 20, 30, तो रहने दो फिर. Not able to attach PDF, what to do? Ishan, just wait, try again later, okay? You have plenty of time. What about time of submission? Ramesh, that is already mentioned in the app, okay? For all the assignments, it is 28th of Feb, and for all the projects, it is till 4th of February. What about extra project in web dev? It is your choice. If you feel like doing that, you can do it yourself. If you have your own idea, if you have your own idea, use that. No issues. Harsha, I currently do not have any sample as nobody of you have submitted yet, right? But I'm talking about the format here, right? This is the format. This is sample. This is how you have to submit, right? So that should clear it. Once anybody has submitted a correct version, I will share it with you all. For all those who are worrying about attendance, or I attended, it's showing as absent. So I am not going to repeat it again. See, the attendance sheets have been shared in batch. You can check it there, right? If your name is present, we will correct it for you. If your name is not present, that then it means that you weren't active during the session, right? Haven't added in batch. Uh, that's an issue. You can't continue such way. If you haven't been added to batch, it's already too late. Batch started at 5th. The time to submit has already been mentioned in the app. Muhammad Aman Ansari says, after this internship, if we want to contact you for any other queries like certificate issue or a new batch, how can we contact you? Well, the simple method is follow us on our social medias, right? LinkedIn, Instagram. Whenever we launch a new batch, we inform everybody there, right? We put up a post or story. From there, you can get to know. If for any issues you all have our WhatsApp number, right? Just put up a message, personal message to us that we are facing this issue and we will help you out. Want more time for web development? I'll see to it. Why so less classes of Python? I think we have covered all the necessary topics in Python, so why is there a need of more number of classes when you can cover those topics in less number of classes, right? But if you want more, just let us know. Okay. Yes, Kavya says like we have to paste the pic on the page. Yes, take a screenshot and paste it. Getting the point? Just a second, guys. Yes, Kavya put the output, share the pic, take a screenshot and just paste it in the last page. You need more classes? Sure, we will put up more classes. Do not spam the chat box. Others are also there, right? No, you can't be added now. Sure, Sia, we will see to it. Sadia says in mini project it says to share all folders of HTML CSS. So we need to put in doc format. No, you need to submit in PDF. It says to share all folders of HTML and CSS, meaning that you need to share the whole code. Okay, some students only submit HTML and then they forget about CSS and JavaScript. What we mean is you need to submit everything, the HTML code, CSS code, JavaScript, whatever you are using, submit it all, but the format should be only PDF. Yes, Shubham Mohanty, you can choose any project of your choice. Yes, you can submit the HTML, CSSJ in a single file or separate files. It is up to you. But the format should be only PDF. Copy the code and paste it. It should be only in PDF. For those who are doing projects in group, okay. Suppose if you are doing projects in group, only project work is allowed in groups, okay. The final project, only final project is allowed to do in groups, okay. Final project. For them, you remember this first page, right? Suppose this is the first page of your final project, okay. So here you need to mention name of each team member, okay. For example, you have 4 team members, so mention all their names, right? All their details like phone number and email, and their responsibilities and their contribution, what they did, how they helped in the group, okay. Kisne kya kya kiya, that is also need to be explained, and then here on you can continue with your project. That is the way. Sharugesh, if that is the case, we will surely see to it. See, talking about the project, yes, you need to explain the project, right? It is mentioned there that you have to create a presentation explaining that what your project is about and how it was created, right? So there you need to explain. Yes, not in assignments, Sai Vikas. Explanation is not mandatory in assignments, but in project it is. There are more classes of JavaScript ahead. अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ है. Okay, sure, I'll extend the time of projects. Dharmik Sompura said, Sir, how we will make teams? We don't know who is in our domain. See, that is why in the starting of the session, I told you all that you can invite your friends. Remember? बताया था ना? So if you had friends, you could have done it. Or else you can go back and watch the orientation session where we explained how you can create groups with your friends. Remember how we can create groups? So you can create groups on this app too. How to explain projects through text or video? Only text is necessary, no need of video. But if you care enough to make a video, it's awesome, right? Do your best. You can do solo projects, no issue. I think today 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. we put up a post on LinkedIn. Uh, Not sure. For there you can see the top interns from September month, right? Yeah, I'm sharing the link on the group. From there you can see. The same way we will provide you also a social recognition if you have done some work like that. Okay, best interns will be shared, right? Didn't get your point, Shoaib. सर मैंने दो में अप्लाई करा है बट मैं एक बार ही रिस्पॉन्ड कर सकता हूँ. प्लीज फिक्स. ओ ओके ओके, गॉट योर पॉइंट. Let me fix it for you. Try now, okay? Vishwa Prajapati asks, best intern will be shown based on project work. Not entirely, everything depends. Okay, whole performance, attendance, project works. We already have some students on our mind already, but let us just wait for the projects to come in. I'm just trying to motivate you all. Can we use Canva for pasting the pic of the output? What is the use of Canva? How did Canva come here? You need to run the code. कुछ output आएगा ना? There will be some output. Take a screenshot and just paste it. Rudra and Sahu, can you give us an internship or job after reviewing our assignments and projects? Well, we are hiring some teachers, so if you are into teaching, shoot up a mail and we'll see. You need to paste the code and the output both. नेक्स्ट मंथ का नेक्स्ट मंथ देखेंगे. No, Priya, it is not compulsory. You can do it solo too. Your wish entirely. Okay, so कोड का तो टेक्स्ट ही पेस्ट करो ऑब्वियसली. उसका पिक का क्या करेंगे स्क्रीनशॉट का. Code should be copy paste in text. Output should be a picture. For those who chose 1 month internship, yes, it will end on 5th March. But as of you, most of you all are asking for extended time, we will see to it. No, it is not necessary to do projects in group. It is not necessary. You can do it solo too. For those who have applied for 2 months or 3 months, we will contact you by our own. Okay. Prabhu, how many time, Preetam, how many time I have to tell you? It is not compulsory to do projects in group. Why are you spamming, bro? I didn't get your question. This internship certificate is based on your company qualification. Get hired students have the internship, sir. See, if you keep on spamming like this, I'll just put you on timeout. Then you won't be able to message again. Sure, Shubham Mohanty, that would work. It will be great. But you need PPT also. No, there won't be any part 2. You can leave. Pararasan R, I didn't get your question. Can you explain? Shiva Charan, currently we do not. If you don't have any questions, you may leave. Yes, that would be great, Shubham. You can host your website and share the deployed link. No, Sadia, wherever PPT is required, we have mentioned. Okay, it is not mentioned everywhere. Sir, can I teach based on my project? What do you mean you are asking for a teaching job? Yes, Shiva Charan, that would work. put that link into a PDF file and submit. It should be a public repository. So for those who are interested in some kind of teaching job or any other job, kindly mail to this email address, okay, your resume and what type of role you are looking for. I wouldn't disclose it like that, Astha. You will get to know when the internship ends. Yes, in PDF I shared deployed link. Yes, that would work. Good night for those who are leaving. Sir, which student's name you have in your mind? I have a lot. No need of part 2 attendance, you may leave. Good night, everyone. If you don't have any questions, you may leave. What was your name again? Modern Lifestyle? I forgot. You do not need a report, Sadia Khan. Not necessarily, you do not need any particular company's certificate. Just put up a mail if you want to get hired, if you are looking for a teaching job, and we will see to it. Okay, I will increase the number of Python classes. And what's your real name? Kindly, the people who are from different usernames, kindly let me know your real names. Okay. I remember Peras Rasan are from previous batch too. You were in previous batch, right? Hmm. Not necessarily. The best students will surely get a letter of recommendation and social endorsement. We will share their achievements on LinkedIn and Instagram and YouTube and our website. So that is what they get. And if we require any full time interns or any job roles, we will surely consider them too. So, on what basis you select the students? Well, based on their performance during the classes, their attendance, and their projects. The most important thing is their visibility, right? There are some students, see, till now we haven't checked any projects, yet we still have some names in our mind. Why is that? Because of the visibility. Some students are always upfront when it comes to discuss any topic or asking questions. So we all take notice to that, right? So visibility is a very good factor. Yes, in the WhatsApp group. Through our WhatsApp number. See, I usually don't share my personal WhatsApp number. You can, if you have any questions, you may ask on the company's number, right? What is the name of Hani TV? What is this? Sir, is Vault of Codes are mainly into teaching only? No, Sia, it is not mainly into teaching. We also do web development and other services, but that is what the main objective here is, right? Teaching. So that is what the main thing is here. Currently, we are only hiring teachers or coaches, faculty members. That is what I said. Sure, Bhanupriya. You can send again the message so that it would pop up again, and then we'll see to it. No, there is no part to attendance. Any more questions? Well, you can chat with us on app, right? There everyone can message, or you can chat with us personally on WhatsApp. It's fine, Akanksha Rathore. It will work. But for further assignments and projects, keep it in mind. Sir, there are some classes I am not able to give the attendance in part 2 or 1, but I have attended the full classes. What to do? I'm not sure. Only thing I can say is that we will provide some grace in attendance, right? So don't worry about it. If they are, if it is done only in some classes, right? As you said, some classes. So it will be fixed automatically with the help of Grace. No, Hemlata, unfortunately low. A good project in opinion, let's say for a beginner, the first project should be a portfolio, right? So for those who haven't worked on a portfolio website, a personal portfolio web page, so that should be your first priority to make. Focus on the details, on creating, combine the different knowledges that you gain from different projects, okay? For example, there is one assignment where you have to make recipe cards. From there you can copy those cards into your resume website, right? And make something creative out of it. Okay, we'll definitely extend the time. Okay, for now it was it from my side. If you have any unanswered questions that you would like me to answer, I think we will meet again with such session. Okay, we'll meet again where we will discuss how was your experience during this session, this complete internship and training session, your opinion, okay, and other project related details. Barsha Nayak, it's okay if you have already sent it. Okay, no need to worry about it. You can resubmit, but if you have done it in assignment, as you said, then it's okay. Okay, just keep it in mind for further assignments and projects. It's okay for if you have already done it, but it should be in PDF. Okay, okay, guys, it's already I think 9 p.m. So it's dinner time, I guess. So thank you all for joining today's class and have a good night. We will meet again soon. And whatever your requests may be, leave it on WhatsApp and we will definitely get to it. Thank you for your time, and I will surely consider to extend the time or reduce some assignments for you all. We'll also provide some help, okay, some samples or some help that will help you all. Thank you for your time. Well then, Harsha, work on projects. No, you have time. You have to submit till 28th. You have a lot of time. Make some projects. Thank you all. I'm ending the session now. Good night, everyone. We will meet again later. Thank you. Good night. No, everyone have to submit the task, Puneet. All the group members will submit, but uh, it should be mentioned in the project file that who are all present in the group and what was their contribution.